Hello, Simon. How you doing? You alright?
Good to see you.
Yeah, good seeing you as well.
Welcome to Mr.B Friends.
Thank you very much. Can you give us a great tour?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So here we go. This is reception.
Hello.
We were looking to create a much bigger impact with our office space so we can sort of continue our sort of growth. And we found this space. It's in the heart of the business district of.
I was about to say, I mean, the walk to the station.
Exactly, yeah. And that was it, yeah. So the people that were coming over from Bath found it very easy commutes, and the people that were already in Bristol find it really easy to get to.
Yeah.
It's a great building, as you can see. You'll see around. It's got lots of sort of natural light.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. And Katie's been with us a few months and helps her around the office and reception. And so the impression that we hope that we give when people arrive here is a professional agency sort of look and feel. Give them confidence that we're a serious business. And also something that's quite exciting. And we have our motto on the wall, which is, "What do you desire?"
Love it.
Okay,
let's do it.
So we got this really impressive boardroom, which sort of people come in and basically sort of, you know, instantly has a great impression of what the sort of company we are. There's a bit of a fairground theme going on. And
I was about to say, like, what's the thinking behind it?
This was a design feature that the interior design company wanted to sort of put in as a statement piece. 2 meeting rooms as well as the boardroom. Dispensary was our first office in 2006 when I started the business, so we called that meeting dispensary.
Lovely. Where next?
It was really important for us to have space where the guys could get away from their desks and operate in an area where they can sit and concentrate and have private meetings and things like that. And the rest of the space is all open plan. So we have our ops team that sits here. This is our digital team who do all sorts of amazing technical wizardry. This is client services over here.
Hey, dude.
And then we have planning. Those guys are actually in the meeting room at the moment, so we have a planning and strategy team as well.
Right.
And then this is the whole creative team here.
Amazing.
So the idea that was what we wanted was to have everything open plan. So we could basically talk to each other. And previously we were on 3 floors in 4 rooms. And it just didn't really work. So we have this is our sort of kitchen area, and we had this beautiful long sort of table. We bought this table. And we've got these sort of little booths here as well, which are great for breakout.
And a mini ping pong table.
Yes, and that's yeah. So there are.
So are you like, do you duck down like that?
There are a few tournaments that go on. Interestingly, it takes a bit of skill to sort of play on that.
So it does look like it.
And that's it. So the entire space is 6,700 square feet.
Wow.
It's enormous.
Amazing.
What's beautiful about it is it's all floor to ceiling windows everywhere. So you get a massive amount of natural light. And also that sort of feeling that you're not closed in at all. Where we are in terms of the location, right in the heart of the business district, it's just surrounded by companies that we would like to work with. So I think that just by osmosis, just by being here.
Thank you very much for the tour.
And that's it.
Let's go and do an interview now.
Okay.